Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. We're going to unveil 5 secret AI tools that every student should know about. These tools will not only make your academic life easier, but also help you excel in your studies. So, make sure to stick around until the end because you don't want to miss out on these hidden gems. Let's dive right in. Our first secret AI tool is Explain Like I'm 5. Explain Like I'm 5 is a website that uses AI to explain complex concepts in a simple and easy to understand way. Simply type in a concept or question, and ELI5 will provide you with a clear and concise explanation. Now, let's move on to our second secret AI tool, QuizGecko. QuizGecko is an AI-powered quiz maker that helps you create engaging and interactive quizzes. With QuizGecko, you can easily create quizzes from scratch or customize existing quizzes. You can also use QuizGecko to track your progress and see how well you're doing. Next up is Merlin. Merlin is a Chrome extension that uses AI to summarize articles, videos, and other online content. With Merlin, you can quickly and easily get the main points of any piece of content. The fourth secret AI website for students is Semantic Scholar. Semantic Scholar is an AI-powered research tool that helps you find and understand academic research. Semantic Scholar indexes millions of research papers and provides you with summaries, citations, and other information. Last but not least, we have Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you improve your writing. Quillbot can rewrite your text, improve your grammar, and even suggest new words and phrases. These are just a few of the many AI tools that are available to students. With these tools, you can learn more effectively, write better papers, and get ahead in your studies. There you have it, folks, our 5 secret AI tools for every student. These tools are like hidden treasures that can supercharge your academic journey. And the best part, most of them are free or offer a free trial. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools to enhance your learning experience, not replace it. Make sure you understand your assignments and use these AI tools as supplements to improve your skills. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and recommendations for students like you. Also, if you have any other secret AI tools you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!